Welcome to From Neuro to Nova, the journey from knowledge to brilliance, where the future is now. I'm here to help you transform your struggles into digital success, one AI tool at a time. If you're watching this at 2 a.m., scrolling through job boards that ghost you, feeling like the world moved on without you, I see you. You're not broken. You're not worthless. You're just stuck in a system that wasn't built for people like us. But here's the thing. While everyone else is fighting for scraps in the traditional job market, there's an entire digital economy waiting for you. And the best part? You can start completely anonymous, rebuild your confidence, and create income streams that don't require explaining employment gaps or networking events that make your skin crawl. Let's be honest about where you are right now. Maybe you've been unemployed so long that you've stopped counting the months. Maybe your last job interview went so badly that you haven't applied anywhere since. Maybe you're living in your car, couch surfing, or back in your childhood bedroom feeling like a complete failure. Here's what I want you to understand. The traditional job market is broken. It's designed to favor people with connections, perfect resumes, and the ability to perform confidence in interviews. But the digital economy, it's the great equalizer. When you freelance online, nobody cares about your employment history. They care about results. Nobody needs to know your real name, your address, or why you've been out of work. They just need to know you can solve their problem. And with AI tools, you can deliver professional quality work, even if you're starting from zero experience. You're not competing with your past self. You're building a new digital identity from scratch. So let me show you the first platform that changed everything for me. Upwork, but not the way everyone else does it. Most people fail on Upwork because they're competing on price in oversaturated markets. But with AI, you can offer premium services that most freelancers can't deliver. Here's your strategy. Position yourself as a digital marketing analyst or content strategy consultant. Use ChatGPT or Claude to analyze your clients' competitors, create detailed marketing strategies, or write comprehensive business plans. Create a profile that focuses on results, not credentials. Instead of recent graduate looking for work, write, I help small businesses increase their online presence through data-driven strategies. Use AI to generate portfolio samples, market analysis reports, content calendars, social media strategies. The key is to charge $25–50 per hour for work that AI helps you complete in half the time. You're not lying. You're leveraging tools to deliver better results faster. That's what smart businesses do. Now, the second platform I want to talk about is Fiverr. And it's perfect for anonymous income because it's gig-based, not relationship-based. You can literally be anyone you want to be. Here's where AI becomes your secret weapon. Offer AI-powered logo design using tools like Midjourney or DALL-E. Create packages from $15 for basic logos to $150 for complete brand identity packages. Most clients can't tell the difference between AI-generated and human-designed work when it's done well. Try social media content creation. Use ChatGPT to write captions, create content calendars, and develop hashtag strategies. Package it as professional social media management for $50 to $200 per package. Consider business plan writing. AI can help you create comprehensive business plans that would normally cost thousands from consultants. Charge $100 to $500 depending on complexity. The beauty of Fiverr is that success breeds success. Get your first few 5-star reviews and the platform starts promoting your gigs automatically. You can be making $1,000+ per month within 60 days. The third platform I discovered is Freelancer.com, and it's less saturated than Upwork, which means more opportunities for newcomers. Focus on these AI-enhanced services, data entry and analysis. Use AI to clean, organize, and analyze data faster than manual workers. What takes others hours, you can complete in minutes with the right prompts. Virtual assistant services. AI can help you manage emails, schedule appointments, and handle customer service inquiries. You're not replacing human judgment. You're augmenting your capabilities. Research and report writing. Businesses need market research, competitor analysis, and industry reports. AI can help you gather information and create professional documents that look like they came from expensive consulting firms. The key is to bid strategically. Don't go for the lowest price. Position yourself as the premium option that delivers faster turnaround and higher quality. Use AI to create impressive proposal templates that get you noticed. Now, here's something that might surprise you. Even if you've never considered yourself creative, AI has changed the game completely with platforms like 99 Designs. They run design contests where multiple designers compete for projects. Use AI image generators to create logo concepts and brand identity packages. website mockups and UI designs, marketing materials and social media graphics, even book covers and promotional materials. Here's the strategy. Don't compete in the $50 logo contests. Focus on higher value projects. 500 plus brand identity packages, 1,000 plus website designs. Use AI to generate multiple concepts quickly, then refine the best ones. The secret is in the presentation. Use AI to write compelling project descriptions, create professional mockups, and develop complete brand stories. Clients don't just want a logo, they want a complete brand experience. You can realistically win 1-2 contests per month at $500, $1,500 each. That's $1,000 and $3,000 monthly income from creative work you never thought you could do. Finally, let me tell you about Toptal. It's the premium platform where they only accept the top 3% of freelancers. But here's the secret. With AI coding assistants like GitHub Copilot, ChatGPT, or Claude, you can deliver professional-level code even if you're not a traditional programmer. Focus on simple web development projects using AI to generate clean HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Data analysis and visualization using AI to write Python scripts, and automation tools and workflows that solve specific business problems. The application process is rigorous, but if you get in, you're looking at $75 or $150 plus per hour rates. Even working part-time, that's $6,000, $12,000 per month. Study the application requirements, use AI to help you prepare for the technical interviews, and position yourself as someone who delivers results, not just code. All right, so here's your 7-day action plan to get started. Day 1-2, choose your primary platform and create a professional profile. Use AI to write compelling descriptions and generate portfolio samples. Day 3-4, apply for your first 10 projects. Don't worry about being perfect, worry about being consistent. Day 5-7, deliver your first project with obsessive attention to quality. Use AI to over-deliver. Include extra analysis, additional revisions, or bonus materials. Remember, your goal isn't to replace human creativity or expertise. It's to augment your capabilities and deliver better results faster. You're not cheating. You're adapting to the new economy. Start with one platform, master it, then expand. Within 90 days, you could have multiple income streams generating $3,000 to $5,000 per month. Look, I know this feels overwhelming when you're starting from rock bottom, but every successful freelancer started exactly where you are, with nothing but determination and a willingness to learn. The difference between you and them isn't talent or connections. It's action. While they were waiting for permission, you're going to start building. Your digital rebuild starts today. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. This is from Neuro to Nova, where we turn your knowledge into brilliance and make the future happen now. I read every comment, but don't get mad if I don't answer. I'm fighting too. But we're going to win this together. Hit that subscribe button if this helped you see a path forward, and I'll see you in the next video, where we'll dive deeper into building your digital empire. Welcome to your digital future.